Hi developers, in this video we will discuss about IIFE. So IIFE means Immediately Invoked Function Expressions. So it is a function that is executed immediately after it is defined. So let's discuss it with some basic example. Let's define a function. Console.log. This function runs immediately. So this is IIFE. This is IIFE functions. Whenever we write functions like this, so it means that the function will get execute immediately after it is defined. So the use case of IIFE is it is used in the case of database. Once the application gets start, the functions to get to connect to DB gets called immediately. Means they are often used when we need to initialize something at the start, like setting up the connections or configurations that run only once when the application gets start. Okay, so this is the IIFE function. One more use case is that by using the IIFE function, variables declared in the function do not leak into the global scope. So it helps in avoiding the conflicts with other parts of the code and keeps the global namespace clean. So the main reason is to use IIFE is to remove the pollution from global variables. Now we will execute this into the terminal. 1 minute. Let's save the code. Now we will execute. So the output in the terminal is this function runs immediately. So this is the concept of IIFE.